So Xiaomi has launched the Mi Neckband Bluetooth Earphone Pro. Most of the major smartphone manufacturers have their own versions of neckband Bluetooth earphones. Realme, Oppo, OnePlus, Sony have their neckband Bluetooth earphones in the market available right now. And then there are brands like Boat and lots of other brands are there as well. I have done a lot of Bluetooth earphones reviews as well, like Sony, OnePlus, Boat, etc. It comes under 2000 rupees and it has ANC or active noise cancellation. It also has ENC or environmental noise cancellation. So is this any good? Should you buy this? Let's find out in this video. Hello everybody, this is Arijit. Let's take it easy. The packaging looks good, usual Xiaomi packaging style in orange mostly. So now let's unbox and get started with the review. And by the way guys, if you like this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button. And if you are not yet subscribed, get subscribed, it's free. Don't forget to hit the bell icon and select all notifications to stay updated whenever we post a new video. So this is the Mi Neckband Bluetooth Earphones Pro. We have a small paperwork. Yes, it is the user manual, which we never like to read. We have some extra pair of ear tips. These ear tips should be in larger and smaller sizes because the medium size should be installed by default. And there is a small micro USB charging cable as well. As you can see, USB to micro USB. That means no Type-C. Initially, I like the way it looks and feels, but of course we will do a complete review, so keep watching till the end. So let's talk about the build quality first, and let's begin with the earbuds. The outside or the back side of the earbuds has a shiny texture, kind of zigzag texture or concentric lines, and it reflects light at a certain angle. It shines and it looks nice. The earbuds are angled and those ring-shaped area protrudes outside a little bit, and that makes the fit very well. The earbuds just hang in there, they don't come off easily. These earbuds are magnetic, and these magnets are not the strongest I have seen in earbuds, but they are good enough. OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z, which I reviewed earlier, has much stronger magnets, I would say, and that one also has magnetic on-off feature. You can detach or attach the earbuds to turn on or turn off the earphones, but the Mi Neckband Bluetooth Earphone Pro doesn't have any such features. The ear tips are soft, comfortable, and the grip is really good. It comes with anti-cerumen design, which is basically a mesh filter in the ear tips which prevents your dirty earwax from getting inside the earphones and block the tube from where the sound actually comes out. Most earphones have a mesh filter in front of the sound tube, and this one has a mesh filter too, but the mesh in the ear tips acts like a pre-filter, which is a good thing. Talking about the neckband itself, the build quality is good, and the cables, they are not flat. I would have liked flat cables. The cables don't feel cheap, but the quality could have been a little better. The neckband is made of rubberized material, and of course the neckband is flexible. It's quite thick and feels strong. There is a nice texture thanks to these stripes on the outside of the neckband, which feels good. These pods, which probably contain the battery and the electronics, are made of plastic, which I have already managed to get some scratches, by the way. With the Bullets Wireless Z, however, these parts are built of metal. The Mi Neckband Bluetooth Earphone Pro is IPX5 splash and sweat resistant, so minor water splashes will not create any issue, and of course you can go to the gym or jogging with these earphones. The quality of the buttons is good and the buttons have good tactile feedback as well. There is a dedicated button to switch on or off ANC, and we will talk more about ANC later. The Mi Neckband Bluetooth Earphone Pro is available in two colors. I have the blue one and it is also available in black. As of now, the price is 1799 rupees, almost 1800 rupees. That is approximately 25 US dollars for those who are not from India. But wait till the end before you make your purchase decision. Keep watching. If you want to buy the Mi Neckband Bluetooth Earphone Pro, the link will be down there in the video description and in the pinned comment as well, so check that out. If you buy something using our links, you pay the same price, but it does help the channel a little bit. Now let's talk about the sound quality. The low ends or the bass is great. The high ends or treble is not so great. High ends are not bad, but not the best you can get in this price range under 2000 rupees. The bass or the low ends are roomy and well tuned, but I would say I like the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z more for the bass, especially the bass edition. As I just mentioned, high ends are not the best, so the balance between the high ends and the low ends is not the best. Vocals and instrument separation are good, but again not the best. If you spend 200 rupees extra at 1999, the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z is better for overall sound quality, I would say. Talking about the ENC or the environmental noise cancellation, it is there and it helps a little bit, but the difference is not huge. When you are in a call, it cancels the environmental noise a little bit, but the difference is not huge. But something is better than nothing, and we have to keep the price in mind as well. And then it also has ANC or active noise cancellation. If you activate ANC by pressing the ANC button, it will reduce a lot of the ambient noise. It works well with certain frequencies. If you have a fan running, it is going to block almost completely the noise from the fan, but again it doesn't block all the ambient noise. So if you are traveling in a public transport or your TV is turned on, it is not going to completely block all those sounds. Maybe it will reduce those noise a little bit, but it will not completely block. It's just 1800 rupees, so you just can't expect the performance you get from super expensive Sony or Bose top of the line Bluetooth earphones with active noise cancellation. The ANC is not completely useless, it's there and it does help at least a little bit. So talking about the overall sound quality, I like it. Maybe I don't love it, but I definitely like it, especially keeping the price in mind, and the bass is good. So I will give it 8 out of 10 for overall sound quality, and I will give it 9 out of 10 for bass. And like all the other earphones, price has an influence on these ratings. The audio quality during calls was great. While calling, I got no complaints from the people at the other end of the call regarding the audio quality through the microphone. It has ENC or environmental noise cancellation. It doesn't make a huge difference, but it does help a little bit at least. You can't get the best of everything at just 1800 rupees. Xiaomi claims you will get 20 hours of playback time, but in real life scenarios, you will get approximately 17 to 18 hours of playback time if you keep your volume at 50% or lower, and if you don't use ANC. If you use ANC, you will get approximately, I believe, 15 to 20% lesser battery life. And it takes approximately 1.5 hours or maybe a little bit more to charge from 0 to 100%. It doesn't come with any kind of fast charging. I definitely would have liked at least some kind of fast charging in this. Now let's talk about the pros and cons, and let's begin with the cons. It doesn't have any USB Type-C for charging. I don't think in 2021 any Bluetooth earphone or any device should come with a micro USB instead of a Type-C. The neckband doesn't hug your neck very well when you are lying down. It might slip off. There is a little hack though. You can wear it like this. The build quality is not bad, but it could have been better, especially those pods should have metal body or at least a matte finish. And then it doesn't have any fast charging. I really would have liked some kind of fast charging here. If you charge the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z for 10 minutes, you will get 10 hours of playback time, which is just awesome. It doesn't have any such features though. There is a kind of connection issue while you are in a call, you are talking to someone and someone else is trying to call you. That call is in waiting. So if there is a call in waiting, it kind of disconnects. The Bluetooth doesn't disconnect, I have checked that, but the person on the other end of the call is unable to hear me. Then if I disconnect and reconnect the device, it starts working again without any issues. It's really weird. I don't know why this happens, or the issue is with my unit. I have no idea. Now let's talk about the pros. The micro USB port has a flap or cover which should prevent liquid and especially dust from getting inside. It is IPX5 water resistant, in fact splash and sweat resistant. IPX5 is not the best, but it's there and it helps. The base is not the best in this price segment, but the base is definitely good. Looks are subjective, but I think it looks good and stylish. Especially I like those shiny textures at the back side or the outside of the earbuds. The battery life is excellent, 20 hours of playback time you will get. In fact, in practical usage you will get 17 to 18 hours, which is not bad at all. If you turn on ANC, you will get 15 to 20% less, but that's the way it should be. And then the pricing is good as well. I think 1800 rupees for this is a good pricing. So here's the final conclusion. If you really think you need to save 200 rupees, only then go for the Mi Neckband Bluetooth Earphone Pro. Otherwise, you should go for the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z or the base edition of the same. It has ANC, but the ANC here is not fully efficient. Even if it is half efficient, if you really think you need ANC, only then go for this. Otherwise, I will recommend the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z. So guys, if you liked this video, you know what to do. Hit that like button. It does motivate me a lot to make more videos like this. If you are not yet subscribed to Take It Easy, go hit that red subscribe button down there to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to stay updated and notified whenever we post a new video. If you love the kind of work we are doing here on Take It Easy, share this video with your friends and family. I welcome any support from your end, and if you have any queries or suggestions, please drop a comment. So guys, that's it for this video. Have a great time and I will see you in the next video.